I'm going to show you how to do some Christmas crafts. After watching this video, if you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Now we need to stick the two papers together like this. We will draw a circle shape. Now we'll fold this paper into half. We'll bring this edge to this middle line. And we'll do the same to the other side. Then we'll bring the bottom part to the top. Now we'll turn to the other side and bring this top corner to the bottom. Now we'll fold this part a little bit like this. Now we'll draw the eyes and the nose. Decorate your Christmas tree with these Christmas crafts too by adding strings on top of them. Thank you for